How are you, my friends? You are well? Okay, let's begin now. Today, I will teach you how to say the alphabet in French. Okay, let's get on with it. Alphabet in French. You know what? It's not as hard as you think, and getting it right will help you with your reading of French and obviously your listening. We are not learning the sounds of French today, but the alphabet. So, here we are. Repeat after me.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z.
Okay, how was that, okay? Now let's repeat once again.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z.
Okay, how was that, okay? Remember to practice, so listen to the alphabet again and practice with me again. Okay, what do you notice when you listen to the French alphabet? That's right, that same letters sound same in English and possibly in other languages as well, if English is not your first language. Now listen to these letters.
F, L, N, S, Z.
They sound the same, don't they? As in English? Okay. I know you say Z in America, in the USA. But what about these letters? Now I have chosen these letters because they nearly sound the same in English. When you would say B, we would say bay. Okay, so they sound nearly the same, but
A, H, I, J, K, O, Q, R, U, W, X.
don't sound quite the same. I would recommend that you work on the ones, which are a little bit tricky, such as the one I have just mentioned. Okay, and practice them over and over again. So, now let's practice the vowels on their own. Listen carefully.
A, E, I, O, U, Y.
That Y is vowel in French. Now, let's repeat them again.
A, E, I, O, U, Y.
Now, why don't you repeat the alphabet one last time on your own? Are you ready? Okay, let's begin. Follow the letters on the screen. Well done. That was hard, was not it? That was a really tough game. Okay. So, talking about game, let's play a little game together. Look at the letter on the screen. Can you name it? Good. This was, can you say that? Bravo. W. Now, can you name this one? Yes. W. In English we say W. In French we say W. Now, can you name this one? H. And the last one. Here's another little game. Can you spell this word? Papa. That means Daddy. Now why don't you play the game? With your friends, with whoever's. Try to spell your name, words, anything that you read in French to get you practice to saying the letters of the alphabet over and over again. So I would invite you watching the videos again in the description. It's quite hard, but eventually knowing the alphabet will mean that you will be a better reader, but also a better listener. Practice, practice, and practice again. Okay, that's it for beginners. Goodbye, sir, madam, miss. See you soon.